Hey, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be calling back this scam Microsoft support uh, in reference to this scam virus that pops up on the browser. Now, this thing is just a simple script, uh, and if you try to X out of it with your mouse, it's just going to give you problems. And at the same time, it's giving you all this alarms and making it seem like you've got some kind of a major issue with your computer. And if you had something like this and you can't click out of it, if you open your task manager and just shut down the process, like whatever web browser you're using, and then if you restart, just as long as you don't restart with that same page, it'll be gone. But this is not a problem with your computer. This is your computer's working the way it's supposed to. This is just something that they embedded into JavaScript onto that website to get people to call, and we're going to be calling them. Never call them with your real phone number. Never let somebody like this connect to your computer. As we're going to see, they're going to run some fake diagnostics, install all kinds of stuff where it looks like they're fixing your computer, but they're also going to be installing things like keyloggers, things to monitor you. They're going to try to steal your passwords, and they're going to charge you a lot of money for this. Now, the way I'm doing this is I'm using what's called a virtual machine or a virtual computer, and it's going to be running inside of a Linux computer, but my virtual computer is completely resembling a Windows 7 normal computer, and I've went through some very detailed steps so that they cannot identify this as being a virtual machine, but exactly like a regular computer, because if they see that's a virtual machine, they figure it's one of a bunch of us that like to bait the scammers and waste their time and resources and maybe a few other fun things. In my virtual machine is actually a virus that is disguised as a financial banking portal. And if they would have happened to steal that banking portal and open it in their machine, well, bad things could have happened. And later in this video, since they didn't do it, I'm going to open that in my machine, and it's pretty funny at the end there. So just watch to the end. I'll put a timestamp in for that part, and I'll be fast forwarding all the boring parts. Alright, thanks.
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is James. How can I help you?
I have a problem on my computer with a virus is coming up on with saying my computer's blocked.
What were you doing at the time when you got notification on your screen?
I was going through some different links and I had some few tabs open. I don't know exactly what I was doing.
Okay. When you were browsing internet on your device, at the time, did you click on any kind of advertisement?
I don't think so, but I don't know.
Read out me that message which you have on your screen. Tell me please what it
Okay.
says.
It says support Microsoft says your computer's been blocked. And it has an error code and it says to call us. And I had to mute the computer because it just keeps saying that out loud. And then there's an authentication required box that's up.
Got you now. I got you now. Let me tell you. It says your computer has been blocked. It means your computer is working fine, but your computer IP address has been blocked. You are not able to use internet on your device because maybe your network security is not running or your computer is infected with virus. Can you tell me one thing?
Mm-hmm.
It is your personal computer or business computer?
It's a personal computer, but I was doing business on it because I left my laptop in the airport, so I
Okay,
set up
okay.
some things to work on
You
here.
use you use for both, right?
Well, no, normally this one, we don't normally use this desktop, but because I left my computer behind, I had to install some things, and I was using it for business. But in the past, it was used for personal.
No, sir. I wanna ask you.
Mm-hmm.
You are administrator of this computer, or
Yes.
you are minor user?
Yes,
You are only
admin.
single user of this computer, right?
Well, my kids have used it before, but usually it's just me that has the login.
Okay. What I can do for you, I'm just going to guide you a couple of technical steps, and you need to follow from your side. After that, your computer will be connected with Microsoft Secure Server. When it will be connected, then I'll diagnose your computer, and then we will able to fix it out.
Okay. I'm going to be fast
Okay?
forwarding some of this, but
So you need
the
to follow
Microsoft
my
certified
steps.
technician
Okay?
is going
Okay.
to connect into my computer.
Yeah,
He's
you
going to
can
have
do
the
one
same
thing now.
rights as the
Look on your
person
computer
logged in,
keyboard.
which is
Just
going to be
focus
admin
on your
rights.
computer
And
keyboard,
among the first things he will do
Okay.
is look at the system information to make sure
and
it's not a
very left
virtual
hand
machine.
side,
And
down in the
if
corner,
you did see it was
there
a
will
virtual
be
machine,
Microsoft
well, I've
key,
seen
Windows
two
sign on that.
outcomes. Either
Mm.
he's going to
I
make
don't see
some
anything that says Microsoft. There's like the
very
the one like looks like
intimate
the window
remarks
key or like
about
the
your
four
mother,
squares. Is that what you're talking about?
or
Yes,
he's
it
going
is.
to pretend
Yes, yes.
as if
It is
he
Windows
is
key.
a
Do one thing now.
not a scammer.
Press and hold it
He will
down,
say, "Oh, your
and
computer. I don't
while
see
holding
any
it down,
problems. There's no
then
charge
press
for the
letter R,
service,
R like in
and
Romeo.
I
Windows
wanna
and
disconnect
letter
'cause,
R
there's no
together.
money to be made."
Mm-hmm.
However, in my case, he will look at everything
Okay.
and he will not be able to see that this is not anything
What comes up
different.
now?
He's going to go through a
There's
number
a
of
box that
tests
came up says
that
run on the
are.
top. Says
He's
open
going
and
to
then
claim that are
Yes, in the run
proof
box.
of that your
In the run box,
machine has been
type there
hijacked by
H as in
hackers,
hotel.
and you need to be saved by his level
H
10
as in
technician
hotel
skills.
again.
And so he's going to go through an event viewer screen, which is going to show a whole bunch of administrative events and system drivers showing all kinds of errors. And this is completely normal. This computer is like a fresh build of Windows 7 with just a few things added to give it that lived-in look. And then he's going to run a netstat. And this might not be the exact order, but he'll run a netstat, which is going to be like a network status. It's going to show the network connections in the computer, and he's going to point out all of these foreign traffic, and the only foreign traffic is going to be from the technician connected to your computer. He's going to do check the system drivers and show how there's all kinds of drivers that are stopped, which is completely normal. The drivers are only running when you're using a service that's using that driver, so that's completely normal. And the last, this might be the first one he does, but he's going to run a command in the command line called tree. Now, the tree is going to just give you a list of everything in your computer, files and folders in a tree format. That's all it is. It's just a list. However, as you can imagine, running a list of so many things that are in your computer is going to take some time. While the thing is running, he's going to put in the command line his own text, or in this case, he copied and pasted some text, and after the few minutes is up, it's going to have all his error messages, and they might put all kinds of things in there to make it look scary, but I mean, you can open up a command window and type whatever you want. Just because it says it on the screen doesn't make it true. This is not the results of a scan. This is just stuff he typed in, and driver failed, firewall security damaged, but like I said, everything is completely normal. Everything is a charade designed to make you think that your computer has a serious problem.
I'm going to maximize it. You see Notepad there?
I only see like part of it. It's so laggy. What's happening to my computer is making everything like it's all messed up. I see part of Notepad. I see like part of
Okay.
what you wrote.
Okay. You see here, fifth thing is that we need to restart all applications which are given by Microsoft Corporation. Then you will able to run all applications without any problem. Okay.
Okay.
Sixth thing is that we need to install 7.2 layers firewall network protection. You see I'm typing.
I see like something fire. Oh, now I see part of security. All. Yeah, I could see your
Yes,
typing, but I
yes.
can only see parts of
7.2
it.
layers.
Yeah, it's all messed up.
Okay.
Okay, now
Firewall
I can see
network
it.
protection.
I can see it
Peter
now, yeah.
is infected with virus. Can you tell me one thing? It is your personal computer or
Beware
business
the
computer?
notepad.
It's a
The
personal
notepad is
computer,
out,
but
and
I
it's one of the
normally
tools
I was
that
doing
they use
business
to
on it because I left
visually
my
show you
laptop
all of the
in the
wonderful
airport,
things they're
so
going to do
I
to your
set up
computer.
some things to work
And
on.
You use-
that's where
you
they
use-
put all the prices
you use
up,
for
and they
both,
always
right?
have a
Well, no, normally
one
this
time,
one
a few years, or lifetime. They always want to talk you into the lifetime. And as you select these, if they feel that you've got money and you're not arguing, they're going to add all kinds of arguments or all kinds of additions to it. Even they're going to add sales tax as if they're going to pay your state tax. You might start out at, let's say, a quoted price of $500, but if you're kind of a willing victim or an easy target, they'll keep adding things on to their a point where you get to $1,500. And they may even be calling you back later if you were easy and say that there's something else wrong, or the one scam where they want to refund you, they paid you too much and want you to connect online and log into your bank, at which point they get your credentials and they take care of that bank account for you.
One thing I want to tell you one thing. Whenever you will buy a new computer in the future, you need to call us over here.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can say, I do have a new computer now. I want to transfer my license keys into my new one.
Okay.
Then we will transfer your license key into your new computer with the help of your customer ID, which I am going to provide you. So
Okay.
please keep it safe. Do not share it with others. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to do one thing now. You need to type your name. Then we will able to generate your customer ID. It will be under your name. And let me type here, please. Be on the line. And
Hour later.
What amount did he told you for lifetime?
I don't remember. I was gonna do,
999.99?
yeah, I was gonna do 3 years, and then I thought maybe 5 years is better. So I didn't
Fine,
pay attention
alright,
too
let me
much
just-
to the lifetime. Yeah.
Alright, so let me do that 5 years for you now. I'll pull up this in.
So here we're trying to get my credit card to go through, and no surprises there. It's not going to go through. However, let me explain. They already had my credit card from the beginning,
Your city name
and
is,
they are
what's
going
your
to
city name?
run
Mesa.
your bogus
M-E-S-A?
card number to check if the number is valid as it's written. What I mean is there's the numbers on a credit card, there's a checksum that the numbers have to, there's a way to do it, there's a mathematical thing, it's known as like LUN or LUN, the algorithm. And so if you are going to give the scammers a credit card number that you made up, it's not likely it's going to come up as being a valid, number in the scheme of credit card numbers. So if you're interested in doing similar type things with scammers, mention in the comments, and I'll direct you to how you can get yourself a fake credit card number that appears real. I should mention, if my card did not pass the algorithm check, which the scammers do, this bait and my wasting their time and just trying to make their life hard would have not been nearly as successful. I think the total time I was on with them was like 2 hours maybe. Although I really kind of wish that they might steal that banking portal from my computer. I think it was still successful in making things as difficult as possible for these scammers.
Oops.
It says transaction failed.
I don't know why there's. I've probably got probably at about 7,000 or something in my account right now.
No, that's not a problem, sir. Let's do one thing. When you make any online transaction or any payment online, do you receive any text message from your credit card company
No.
or debit card company?
No.
No? Can you please open your email? Let's see, did we receive any email from them or not? Can you please go and check that?
Well, no, I would see it on my phone. I didn't get any email.
Okay, you can see on your email or
Yeah.
on your phone. Because the transaction got declined. So, do you have any alternate card apart from this?
Yeah, well, let's check it. Let me look at the card number again.
The card numbers are okay because when we process, the card numbers were okay. Because when we type card number here, let me show you.
Yeah, hold
When
on.
we do this,
Yeah, but let me look at the numbers. Let me look at my card. Just put it on the screen. Let me look at my card again.
I have
Hit OK.
okay, so it's established support connection.
Type your name there. And you
Whole credit card and stuff that was lost with my computer at the airport. But I could pay you through my company's electronic portal here. Let me just get that to run. I guess gotta update. What the heck? It's not working. This isn't like this.
what is this?
What-
Installing
I was-
Windows update?
I don't
Do not-
know. I was trying to log into my banking portal. This wasn't like this before.
You're trying to log into banking portal, but you are using Windows XP. Like, what is this?
No. What is this? What did you guys do? This was my banking portal. How did this change like this?
This is your banking portal?
No, that's not. I don't know what happened here. Try to click on something. What is this? What is going on with this thing? Nothing works. It says dead. What the heck? This is
But
not normal.
you opened something else, right? That's not correct.
No, I
Right.
wasn't like this before. I tried to go into my business banking portal to send you a payment. What is this? I didn't have this installed on my computer.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me restart your computer. Okay?
Okay, go ahead. Why does it say that?
What? You know,
Do you
you should
see
know
it?
that. You have something. You should know that. You have
Do you
something
see
on your
anything
computer
on your
screen.
screen?
What?
I don't. I only see. I
No,
see.
I don't. I cannot see anything right now.
All I see is an eyeball, and it says, "I'm watching you."
What do you see now on your computer screen?
It just says an eyeball. It says, "I'm watching you."
Oh, you eyeball, you're watching me?
Yeah, that's what it says.
It says eyeball.
I think you
it
guys
says
broke my
watching you.
computer.
We broke your computer?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Then you can get it from local technician if we broke your computer.
Well, how am I supposed to get it from a local technician when it's broken? It's much worse now. I don't know if anyone. I can't even do anything. There's nothing. There's no icons or anything. Just a picture.
It will come, don't worry.
I'm worried.
Don't
I
be
can't
worried.
say I can recommend your company to my friends. I mean, if you want a computer
Alright,
that's
no.
broken with an eyeball, you guys are the ones to do it, I guess.
Let it come, let it come. I just restart your computer. It should come.
It's not coming. It's just stuck. There's no computer icons. Just an eyeball. What did you guys put in my computer?
Nothing.
Nothing, but it killed it. My banking portal was changed. That
was not your banking portal. That was
It
not your
was.
banking portal.
that's what it was.
That was not your.
My business
was not your banking
portal.
portal.
From my business. It came straight from my business. And then it changed after you guys messed around with it. I don't know what happened. Where can I send you a bill for a new computer?
You can do one thing. Can you Can you go outside of your home and can you get the card, like a Walmart card or iTunes card?
Yeah. But my computer doesn't work.
That will work. Just restart it.
It doesn't restart. I tried it already. What would I send you a Walmart card for? You guys need to send me a Walmart card. Is there a Walmart store near you? You could send me, please.
You can-
$500, and I'll wait on the line while you drive to the store. How long will it take you to drive to Walmart?
Me?
Yeah, you. I need $500
should
for a
I-
computer.
why-
How far away is
Why
Walmart?
should I go?
Look,
why
I
should
could
go-
stay
why
on the
should I go
line,
there?
or if it's gonna be like 15 minutes, then you can call me back. But then give me the number, and then I'll pay for the service. But I need a new computer first, and then I'll pay for the service. My computer just has an eyeball.
Okay,
How far away is Walmart from you? Just tell me that. How many minutes?
20 minutes?
20 minutes? Okay. I'll just stay on the line, okay? And you tell me when you get there. And I mean, this is not that new of a computer, so I think $500 will be more that will cover it. I mean, that's okay with me. Are you in the car yet?
No, I'm just sending emails to my billing team so
Okay.
they can actually do this for you. Till the time, what you can do, you can note down our direct technical support number. If somehow call get disconnected, you can call us back.
Yeah, I have that number. And you can call me
What
back
number
when
do
you
you
get to
have?
Walmart, though. You have my number.
No, you can note down my direct number. That is, should I provide you now?
Sure, go ahead.
It's 1-800
Okay.
516
Uh-huh.
7989.
And what was your name again?
My name is Brian.
Brian. Okay, Brian.
You can note down one more number.
Okay.
855.
Uh-huh.
Or let's do one thing. You can note down my other number, but that is 1-800
Uh-huh.
852
Uh-huh.
6035.
Okay.
All right. Call me on this number. I'll call you in 20 minutes.
Okay, from Walmart.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, from Walmart. Right.
All right, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.